Hello, I'm Sarah, and in this complete video, you'll leave with all the doubts without exception of what the vast majority ask about the Lepticell diet, and you'll see real results directly from the official website. Look what has already happened to Angela Melton, who lost an incredible 87 kilos. She was very happy with the result and of course continued taking Lepticell. In addition to that, she lowered blood pressure, blood sugar, cholesterol. It's fantastic. In this video I'll also talk about the benefits, ingredients, how to use, refund, and stay until the end of the video because you'll see more real results from several people who have used Lepticell. Just an alert. Unfortunately, many people are selling the counterfeit product on the internet, but this supplement is only sold on the official website, and you will not find Lepticell with money-back guarantees on Amazon or other e-commerce, only at the supplier. So to help you even more, I left the link to the official website with a discount here below in the description of this video. If it's not on YouTube, click on the video and you'll find the description quickly. Some people want to lose weight for a personal reason, to prepare for an important event, to meet a personal goal, but few like to exercise and keep their mouth shut. But being able to close that size of jeans, wear any clothes you have in storage, in addition to not having annoying people saying that you are getting more and more fat, that is having self-esteem. What you most want is to lose weight, but what few think is that an obese person triggers bigger problems like diabetes, high cholesterol, heart disease and high blood pressure, and even death. That's why losing weight is so important. Lepticell diet has changed thousands of people around the world. More and more people are losing weight and quickly changing their body, and with more energy to practice physical activities, which makes people less sedentary and more active to do things from home, taking care of and playing with their children, for example. To better understand why Lepticell works, it is the only palmitoleic acid supplement enhanced with its unique formula that shrinks body fat sooner than you might think and thus overcomes bloated fat cell syndrome. Natural ingredients include the herb Mucuna Pruriens, Damiana, Dong Quai, includes omega-7 in the form of palmitoleic acid, plus 22 nutrients, including the 3 I just mentioned, that work together to give you the body weight you've always wanted. Each bottle comes with 60 capsules, enough for a 30-day supply. You only need to take 2 capsules a day with a glass of water. Therefore, it is obviously worth buying. It has a 90-day guarantee directly from the supplier. Several people around the world have lost weight and it has worked. If you take it, it will also work. See people saying how much they have lost weight and what it has changed for them. These comments were taken directly from the official website. Certainly these people had their lives transformed with a healthier life. People who had before and after results in the belly, excesses removed under the arm, a slimmer face. For sure, weight loss has improved physical health, increased energy and well-being, in addition to greater self-esteem and confidence. Sales. And to help you, I'm leaving the link with a super discount on the official website, just below the description of this video, and the promotion is on the last batch. Don't waste time and health. Take care now and run to see the discount. I hope I have helped with this video.